line as we have a testimony by our brother Solomon. He hails from Tamil Nadu, so he's going to share his life testimony so that people will be encouraged.
Quite a lot of testimony that I have in my life, what God has done. I mean, there are different phases of my life. I just today, as I stand, I just look back and see like what is it God has done and where I was and where I am now. There are always situations around us, but the way how we handle the situations and deal with it was totally different after getting to know the Lord. So I have to actually, I just put into 3 different phases of my life. So one is the past life, how I was, and I'm not ashamed to declare that because I'm a different person now. And the transformation process, and after knowing God and really knowing God, just not knowing God but really knowing God, how my life has changed. So just to give a gist of the kind of life that I was before I came to US, actually probably from the time of my college days, I used to smoke a lot, I drink a lot, and that I was totally towards all this worldly stuff, and I felt that is the joy, that is the happiness that I have in my life. And pretty much almost every weekend I gather a group of people around me and just enjoy drinking to the core. And not only that, in adding to it, like I also had a bad quality of getting I'm a very short-tempered person. I mean, most of you now who are seeing me may not look like that, but typically I'm a very short-tempered person, and people used to make fun of that, like just to instigate and see and watch the fun. So, and sometimes I even get into quarrel and fight, and that's the kind of life I was. So it was a time, but one thing which I didn't know at that point of time, but when I look back now, I realize is God is a great God who has a master plan, and He knows every step, the future, what's going to happen. But we may not know what He has in store for us, and that's what exactly happened in my life. So there was a point in time where I had to choose my wife. So it's a marriage time. I had a lot of options I can choose. But it just so happened at that time, like God convinced me in such a way that, as part of His plan, He had already chosen a wife. We didn't know that because for the first time we met and then it didn't work out. And 2 months later, after we saw a few folks, and again it worked out. And we strongly believe that it's part of God's plan that this marriage has taken place. And that was the starting, a turning point of my life. So I still didn't realize at that point of time that God had a plan. So soon after my marriage, I was just plucked out of the place where I was and put in Minneapolis here with all new people around me. New people, and you won't believe, I didn't know what was going on. Probably when I came to US, I was thinking, okay, it's something different. I'm going to have fun here, more drinks, more parties. But 2-3 years, it just passed by. And slowly, God had been working on my life. And in 2005, that's when I know who really God was. Because even prior to that, I was just going to church. I was thinking, like, okay, even though I'll do all these things, I just go to church and I'm secure after I leave this world. But in 2005, when I really knew God, that's when actually the real transformation took place. I came to know the Lord, and the things looked different. You won't believe, the person who's so strong, having a stronghold in drinking and smoking, it's not that easy to leave those. But in 2005, there was a point in time when it happened that it just went away from my life. The drinking and smoking and those stuff went away. And since 2005, God has been leading me amazingly. So that was the starting point, and then I could see the work of God in my life every day. And the joy and the peace which I had earlier was totally different after receiving Christ into my life, because I had the assurance of, I knew what it is and what it is going to be in the future, and the assurance of salvation. So, that's totally joy. And so, again, it's not the end, right? That's where the journey starts. You still have to deal with all the things around you. right? You have to deal with the things, the situations around you. How do you deal it? Because it's still a learning process. And that's where God helped me to deal each and every situation with calm. Yeah, there have been times where I lost my patience, but I was quick to come back and realize, okay, this is not what God would have done to anybody. And the heart of forgiveness. There are so many things that God added to my life. And when somebody does something wrong and you forgive them, there's a special joy that you have, which you'll not know. But when you'll experience it. I mean, that's totally different. That's amazing. So God started me to change me slowly, and I used to have a lot of stage fear. I never get onto the stage again. I would say until 2005, I never got into the stage because I had the stage fear. But now I don't have the stage fear because how God trained me, put me in a position where I have to deal with a lot of situations and lead and those kind of stuff. So I would thank God for what He has done in my life. And just to conclude on my testimony, all these things God has done. The turning point is it's a relationship with God, right? I mean, it's relationship with Christ. We just have to take the first step, open our hearts, allow God to come into our life, and then I'm sure the experience would be different. I'm sure the same experience which I had, each one of us can have it. And probably many of them are already experiencing it. So that is the turning point. Just see, let's give a chance to God and see what happens. Thank you.